are here with the winner of the inaugural Cincinnati Soup event. Hold up the cash, hold it up. Look at that. That is so awesome. So now you got some resources.
Yes, I had a venue location for the play that's coming out in August.
How exciting is that?
Like, I'm really, 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 really excited. Like, I'm excited. Like, I'm probably going to smile for the rest of April. Going into May. And I got to call my mom. This is like, this is the closest, not that we're going to get, but I'm her favorite. And it's really, I mean, I'm just being honest. But I couldn't run without my supporters.
I'm mama's favorite. Y'all know it.
They know it. The youngest of 8. But
so
yeah, I'm happy.
So this obviously means a lot. So this is
just a lot.
This is really just a sprinkle.
This is stepping stone. This is a stepping stone, and this is me getting recognition out and getting people to know my story more, because it's called Storybook Entertainment Group, but that tagline, everyone has a story to tell, because everyone does have a story to tell. And who better to tell it than me?
Amen. Hey, so Karen, Storybook Entertainment, she takes home the Storybook Entertainment Group. She takes home the grant in the first inaugural Cincinnati Super event. So show them the money again. They don't believe. They don't believe. They gonna know now.
They gonna know.
You're gonna learn today.
Yeah, and watch for my play, The Community, coming out the end of August.
The Community, the end of August. They're looking for a venue, so now they've got some resources to find that venue. You guys make sure you come and check it out. We want to see
my Facebook page, Story Entertainment Group.
All of Cincinnati, the entire community,
all
come out. They want you to show the money again. Hold the money up. Goodness gracious.
Can Denzel hear me now? Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks so much, Karen.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's created from this video, from this platform. So you guys make certain that you get involved with more people out to support this very, very purposeful platform. So first of all, let's come on. Let's